Everybody's got a superstition, some silly thing to which they cling. I have only had one superstition. I know that I could never start to sing without my walking stick and my old top hat, my folderol and my this and my that. I couldn't even hum a string without this bamboo cane. On the boulevard in my soup and fish, roll my eyes at some dainty dish, but I'm not so hot lover's lane without my bamboo cane. I'm Aladdin, here's my lamp, bamboo magic, presto changeo, and I'm the chant with my walking stick and my old top hat. You won't find me at the automat. If you take away my stock and trade, how could I ever sing Cindy when you roll those hypnotizing eyes? Pretty baby, don't you realize it would drive me insane? 'Cause with me it's a label I wouldn't be able to warble that haunting refrain. No, 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 no. I couldn't sing a lick without this stick, my band. Hey,